In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your Google Ads quality score to not only rank higher but also pay less for your ad placements. This informative guide aims to help you master the intricacies of Google Ads by focusing on optimizing your quality score. Let's dive right in. To begin this journey, you'll want to navigate to the Google Ads official website. Here, you'll have the opportunity to reach customers and enhance your sales through targeted online advertising. Once you are on the homepage, your first step is to sign in, a straightforward process for those already familiar with Google accounts. After logging in, find yourself at the Google Ads homepage where all the magic happens, and you're greeted with a range of options to tailor your ad campaigns. The next step is to identify and access the campaign section, which serves as the heart of your Google Ads operations. This is where you plan, manage, and control all your advertising efforts. Clicking on campaign will open up the specific settings and tools necessary to fine-tune your campaign strategies. Once inside the campaign section, you'll want to direct your focus to the audiences, keywords, and content controls. These elements are crucial because they define who your ads will reach and under what circumstances. Taking the time to carefully select and manage your target audience and relevant keywords can greatly impact the effectiveness and efficiency of your ads. Navigating further, you'll focus on one of the most integral aspects of your ad strategy: keywords. By clicking on this option, you gain access to a vital tool in boosting your quality score. High quality relevant keywords contribute significantly to the usefulness and success of your ads. Here, you can review and refine the keywords that trigger your ads to ensure they align perfectly with user searches. An often overlooked aspect of managing your keyword strategy involves addressing negative keywords. Including negative keywords is a strategic move to prevent your ads from showing in irrelevant search queries. This ensures your ads are only seen by users who are truly interested in your offerings. Clicking on negative keywords within the dashboard gives you this option, allowing you to add terms that might attract the wrong clicks. The final step is to actively add these negative keywords, a simple but critical step. By doing so, you are effectively refining your ad reach and increasing the likelihood that your ads are shown to users who are more likely to convert. Through careful adherence to these steps, you'll find yourself on the path to achieving a higher quality score. This not only helps in positioning your ads more effectively, but also contributes to lowering your cost per click, making your advertising campaigns more efficient and budget friendly. Thank you for following along, and may your Google Ads campaigns benefit from these insights.